So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can design a blog from scratch. Please do it to like this video and subscribe to this channel. As you go, if you gain value from this video, please comment if you have any questions. So guys, how to design a blog. So guys, I'll show you guys how to design a blog. A lot of person do pay people to design a blog, and it can actually cost a lot of money. You can pay as high as $100 to design a blog, or $50, depends. So guys, I'll walk you through the step. So guys, the step one is to buy a domain name and hosting plan. So guys, I'll be introducing a site for you to buy a domain name and hosting plan at a cheap price, just depending on your budget. So guys, I'll be showing you that step one. So step one, we go to a new page. So guys, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video to namecheap.com, the website whereby you can buy a domain name and hosting plan at a very cheap price. So guys, what is domain name? I think I'll leave, if you have a question about that, I'll leave a link in the description of the video to teach you about that. So guys, let's go straight to namecheap.com. Okay guys, as a beginner, a lot of persons does not know what a domain name is and hosting is. So guys, let's look what a domain name is. A domain name is a string of characters that identify a website. This is what user type in the browser to visit your site. So guys, what this means is that a domain name in a simple term means the name your website is carrying. Domain name means the name of your website, the name you choose for your website, like this: www.facebook.com. Facebook.com is a domain name, so that's it. So anything, you can see any website like this, you can see google.com. This google.com is a domain name, so that is a domain name. Any name you choose, like www.mrpromisetv.com is a domain name. Domain name is the name you choose for your website. So why this web hosting is a service that provides a space on a server for your website files, allowing them to be available on the internet. So if I want to break this thing, what a web hosting means is that after you have buy a domain name and you have built your website, your website has to pay a service provider for your website to be in the internet, for it to store your file, to keep it there, for it to be accessible in the internet. So that is a web hosting. Like if I buy a domain name mrpromise.com and I've designed the website, if I did not pay for a hosting plan, a web hosting plan, okay, if I don't pay for a web hosting plan, it will not be available on the internet. Like Facebook has their own server whereby they store their website that is available on the internet. You get? So that's why Facebook is in internet. So there are so many web hosting platforms: Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger. There are so many. There are a lot. even so many hosting platforms. Even here in Nigeria, there are so many hosting platforms. So guys, but the one that I'll be using for this video is called Namecheap. This is namecheap.com. If you use the link in the description of this video, it will take you directly here. So this is the yearly plan, and in yearly plan, you, instead of paying $3.88, you'll be paying $1.88. Will be accumulated, everything will be added together for a year. So instead of paying $2.98 per, instead of paying $5.88, you'll be paying 2.98 for a year. So guys, depend on your budget. You can, if you don't have money, you're just a beginner, you can go for a monthly plan, and that monthly plan is $3.88 per month. You get, so this is a Stellar Plus plan, $5.88 plan per month. So guys, in this your Stellar plan, you can be able to host 3 websites. You can be able to host 3 websites. If you have different domain names, there's no need to now buy a new web hosting plan. In this video, we're going to buy a web hosting plan. So if you have purchased this, they allow you to get 3 web hosting plan. So in this video, first of all, using the link, it's going to give us it's going to take us straight to us letting us to buy a domain name, so a web hosting plan. So after a web hosting plan, that shows us to buy a domain name. So depending on you, if you can calculate this in naira. If you are staying in Nigeria, you can see that very cheap. I think you think 500 will be like 2,000 naira. So with 2,000 naira and adding money to the domain name, you see how much it costs. You can see you can get a website in less than, let's say, 7,000 naira. That will be less than, everything will be accumulated, that will be less than, depends. So if you choose a Stellar Plus plan, which I prefer, so you can able to get unlimited websites added to your domain name. So it all depends on you. Or you can go for yearly plan. You just want this, there's a discount price for this, everything will be accumulated. But in purpose of video, we just go for the Stellar plan. So you guys, you can choose anyone you want, but I advise you to go for the Stellar Plus plan, or you go for the yearly plus plan. But for beginners, that anybody that just don't have enough money, you can just start with this Stellar plan. But I advise you guys, recommend to take a Stellar Plus plan. So click on get started. After you click on get started, you will see something, domain name connection. Do you have a domain name before? No, this video is a very brand new video for people that don't have domain name before. So when you have a existing domain, that's when you click yes. But in this video, I believe everybody is have a domain name. So we now search for the name you want to choose. Any name you want to choose, your name or name of your blog. You can choose any name you want to choose for your blog. You also do your research. You check if you're going to search for a domain name, if it's available in the the name has not been used by another person. So I cannot just go and choose facebook.com that's already registered. I cannot go and choose, let's see, you check facebook.com, let's see, or any domain, any website name you have seen that have come. If you check it, it will not, it's not available. So you see facebook.com is taking, so you can use it. So in this video, we're going to use Mr. Promise TV.com. You see MrPromiseTV.com, and it costs $8.98 per year. You see, okay. So after you done this, you choose it and it's available. You choose but if you're going to get XYZ, it's just $1, and it's even In some plan is even free. But let's just go straight over. What you have to do next, you have to click on connect to hosting. Click on connect to hosting, guys. You see everything you see now here, it will now be $13. $13. So if you convert $13, depending on depending on the rate of the card you are using, so you're gonna see like it's even less than 7,000 naira. You have started blogging. So what you have to do is, well, I advise you to go for the Stellar Plus plan. Depends on you, depend on your budget. So guys, or you go for a yearly plan if you have the money. So what you have to do, click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. Please follow my step. Click on add to cart. See, okay, this showing the yes. Okay, click on add to cart. Let's go down. Okay, I think I already have. Why is my own now so big? It's not supposed to be. I think I already have some domain name register. What's it called? Already in my cart. So guys, I'm gonna take them off. So guys, I have removed some of the items that I've added to cart before. So guys, this your own will be like this. You show domain name, registration, privacy. This is for free. So that's why Namecheap is very good. So guys, this positive SSL. SSL is a this padlock you see here. It's a padlock like make your site secure, and it boosts your SEO. Yes, it boosts your SEO, but there's a way you can get it for free. If you want me to do that video, just comment in this comment section. But you let us buy it. So if you add everything together, you will get it at 18.002. So these are the discount price when using my link. So guys, what you have to do is to confirm or order. To confirm order. So guys, you see that if you even plus everything together, everything will not be up to, see, everything will be up to 10,000 naira while starting the domain name. When starting a blog, sorry. So what you have to do is to confirm order. Click on confirm order. Okay, very good. So guys, in this video, if you have not registered, they will ask you to fill in your details or login. My account has already been logged in. You have to fill your name, your password, choose your password, confirm your password, and you sign up for the account. And what you have to do is to log in your account. It's very simple. Very simple. So I've already logged in. So if you want to make payment now, what they will tell you to do, really pay attention. They will tell you to fill your billing address, your billing address, your address, where you stay, your what's it called, your you'll be asked billing address, you'll be asked your zip code, your phone number, and you'll be asked to input your card details. Input to do. Just follow the instruction. Follow instruction. That part is not very hard. That part is not very hard. So guys, I would have scrolled go down, but my information are there. But still, let me just show you what I want to do. So you click on pay now. You click on pay now. That's it. Click on pay now. Pay now. That's it. If you click on pay now, you will send in informations that you have you present your cPanel informations. So guys, after you have placed an order, um you will go to your Gmail account that you use to register. You get your cPanel username and your cPanel password. So this is my password and using my username. So you get this cPanel username. This is what you log in, and this is what you use to install. This is where in cPanel, that's where you install your WordPress. So this is the part one of this video. So in this part two, guys, in this part two, we will be um in this part two we'll be accessing our cPanel. Okay, in this part two we access our cPanel and install WordPress. Access cPanel and install WordPress. So we access cPanel and install WordPress. So guys, thanks for watching, and the video continues.